Hi, I'm Asma from DirectSense, and today I'm going to show you how to perform a glucose measurement with our biosensor kit. You're going to need our glucose biosensor kit, our DirectSense reader T4, your sample, in this case we have apple juice, some deionized water, some Eppendorfer vials, and some pipettes and pipette tips according to your selected dilution. Before you start with your sample preparation, you're going to need to choose the right dilution. As shown on the table, this depends on the concentration of glucose in your sample. In our case, we have a sample with a glucose concentration between 5 and 125 grams per liter, so we need to prepare a 1+49 stock dilution. Regardless of the dilution factor you're choosing, you have to take at least 100 microliters of sample. Now let's start with our sample preparation. As I already mentioned, we need to prepare a 1+49 stock dilution. So we take an Eppendorfer vial and we pipette 4,900 microliters of deionized water into it. Then we take our sample and we pipette 100 microliters to the deionized water. Don't forget to mix your prepared stock solution well. You can either shake it like this, or alternatively, you can use a vortex machine. Now we are going to prepare our glucose measuring solution. And for that, you need the glucose buffer, which is stored inside the glucose biosensor kit. In a small Eppendorfer vial, mix 100 microliters of stock dilution, and 100 microliters of glucose buffer. Make sure to take a fresh pipette tip in between these steps so you don't contaminate your glucose buffer. Again, mix it well and put it aside until we prepare the setup for the measurement with the reader. Take the reader and turn it on by pressing the on-off button for a few seconds until the display is activated. Select Measure, then choose a user and press Select. Scan the QR code, which is located on the inside of the kit box, and press Continue. Scan the sample name or type it in manually and press OK. Choose the selected stock dilution factor. Now take out the drip out of the biosensor strip vial. Be careful not to touch the sensitive area of the biosensor. After you have taken out the biosensor strip, close the vial immediately. Insert it into the reader carefully, as far as it can go. Press Continue. Now take 100 microliters of your prepared glucose measurement solution. Apply it onto the sensitive area of the biosensor strip. Make sure to distribute it evenly and to cover the complete sensing area within the 15-second sample application step. Avoid pipetting the sample up and down or scratching the central black spot with the pipette tip. After the measurement, the result is displayed in gram per liter glucose. So this was our glucose measurement with our biosensor kit. For further information, visit our website or send us an email to support@directsense.com. Thanks for watching and see you next time.